Lozlin Diamond Blades are marketed as ultra-durable cutting discs that supposedly slice through metal, tile, stone, and ceramic with minimal wear. But the real question is, are they actually good quality or mostly marketing hype? Now, to be fair, Lozlin does sell real diamond blades, and the products themselves are not fake. The company offers multiple blade types for tile, masonry, and metal cutting, including braze and turbo-style designs. What it does well, cuts multiple materials reasonably well. Many Lozlin blades are designed for multi-purpose cutting, including tile, marble, stone, ceramic, and even some metals. That versatility is useful for DIY users who do not want separate blades for every material. Some users report surprisingly decent performance. TikTok shop reviews for certain Lozlin blades mention clean cuts, smooth operation, and acceptable durability for the price. A few buyers specifically said the blades perform better than expected. Where it falls short, marketing claims appear exaggerated. This is the biggest issue. Claims like 5,000 plus cuts, industrial grade, or no overheating sound impressive, but there's very little independent testing verifying those numbers. Quality consistency is questionable. Customer reviews are mixed. Some buyers praise the blades, while others report rapid wear, broken discs, or disappointing durability after very little use. Probably not professional grade quality. Reddit discussions about diamond blades repeatedly point out that many cheaper imported blades work fine for casual use, but usually do not match premium contractor level brands for longevity or precision. So, are Lozlin diamond blades real quality or just marketing? Short answer, somewhere in the middle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.